Hey guys, thank you for all your thoughts and prayers. We are in the middle of Hurricane Delta down here in Lake Charles, Louisiana. Sorry if you can't hear me. We're in the outer bands right now, so it's not too bad right now. However, if you can see all in the back, everybody's debris from the last hurricane is still all over, so that makes it a bit more dangerous. My tree, I don't think it's gonna make it. But I was trying to go live, but I don't know what's going on with my thing. It won't go live, but I'll try to go live in a bit. Sorry, the wind's pretty crazy, but it's not too bad yet. I'm sure it technically hasn't made landfall. Technically, I guess. But it's already flooding because, mainly because people's debris, you know, the debris still here from Hurricane Laura. You can see out there already. But just wanted to give y'all an update. I hope everybody's doing great. Y'all have a wonderful day. I'll try to be back and try to go live after a while. Y'all have a wonderful day. Bye, guys.